Hello everybody, this is Ray Albert and welcome back. In this video we're going to talk about how to build your website organically. And in the last video we talked about SEO on your website, and we were continuing on with the Rank Brain SEO website. And I hope of course you're following along as you are building your website, and if you already have a website you're making changes to your website as we go along to figure out how to build your website up organically. So in this video we're going to talk about that, and we're going to continue on with the rankbrainseo.com website, and you can follow along on building your website. Now when I type in the keywords how to grow your website organically, I get a lot of mixed stuff here. In this first result it says optimize for your readers, not search engines. True. Blog regularly. Not true. Plug into the blogosphere. There's a lot of things here. 25 ways to increase traffic, more organic traffic, traffic with case, proven ways to drive traffic. So, all this stuff is about traffic. And in reality, building your website organically does entail organic traffic to your website. So basically that's what your intended goal is to be, to get traffic or organic traffic to your website. But you don't want to get just any traffic. You want to get targeted traffic to your website. See, anybody can get just any traffic to their website, but you want people that are going to come to your website that you want as maybe customers, people that are willing to buy from you, or people that want to follow you and learn from you. You just don't want anybody or any traffic, because not all traffic is created equal. So how do we build a website that's going to create organic traffic that we want? So the first thing to do is to, like I said before, decide what your website is all about. And then you go to research. Like my Rank Brain SEO website is all about how to build your website and to get it ranked into Google, and to build your website organically. This is what this Rank Brain website is all about. And this is what all these videos are going to be geared towards, is building my Rank Brain website, even though I'm doing this on Nutmeg Digital Marketing website. So here's what we're going to do. Let's go back into, we're going to start with our first page, our front page, the main page that you want to rank for. And we're going to do this by a few simple methods, and we'll discuss that when we get to the website. All right, everybody, here's what my website looks right now. I just put one page on here. There's no content at all. See this Lauren Epsom? This is just fill text, just to show you what the website could look like. Now, in every website, you want to have a call to action right from the top like this. You don't want people to have to go search around your website to find out more information. You want them to have it available right in front of them as soon as they land on your landing page. So this is a good start right here. Now, if you have a Divi Builder, all you have to do is click on here like that, and it's going to go into the Divi Builder framework. If you don't have Divi Builder, look at your theme and find out how you can manipulate these boxes here to do what you want. So the first step in doing this is you need to make your website SEO friendly, and you're doing that with your title tags, meta tags, description, slugs, all that stuff matters, okay? So let's go to the back end of the website, and I'll show you where to do this. And you're going to go to the back end by clicking on here, edit the page. And I'm going to keep this page open, but I already opened up another page that has the back end of the website. And what we're going to do is we're going to go to pages and see where it says home page right here, and we're just going to click on the edit. See, if you click on edit with DVI, you're going to go back to the same page that we were at. We want to edit the home page's SEO qualities. Okay, so this is how we're going to do it. Okay, so first thing is your title. So you can put home page, home, whatever you want. So I'm going to just put home page. This is just the title of your page, so we're just going to leave that for now. As we scroll down here, we're going to come back to this configure rich snippets, but we're going to look for SEO. So what's going to be the focus keyword of this homepage? What is it you want it to rank for? What is it you want your homepage to stand for? And you know, this is like the main important element here is the focus keyword phrase. So what am I going to use as a phrase to focus on this RankBrain SEO website? Remember that your focus keyword is going to influence what people come. So you want your focus keyword to be driven by business. You want your focus keyword to be driven by the people, the kind of people you want to come to your website. So if I just type in here RankBrain, it's going to tell you what RankBrain is. It's all about Google's brain algorithm, RankBrain and Moz, a complete guide to Google RankBrain algorithm. And so we know that the algorithm in Google for RankBrain is learning. It's like an AI, artificial intelligence, that scours the internet, and every piece of content that it gets, it learns from that. So if you have a piece of content that talks about domain authority on your website, which we're going to talk about also, it's going to collect all the information on domain authority, and it's going to learn what people actually want to read about domain authority. It's going to render that kind of content that is getting the results, because remember, Google is all about giving you the exact results you're looking for, and eventually it's going to be really good at it. And right now it's still in the learning phase. But so this is what RankBrain is. If I wrote about RankBrain, or if I put RankBrain as a keyword, you know, it's all going to be about questions about what is RankBrain. So that's not what I want. So now going back to the keyword, how to grow your website organically, you notice that all the results come up with, you know, how to increase traffic to your website. It doesn't have any, there's nothing in here. I don't care what the top websites are, and these are big websites too, like wordstream.com, articlemarketing.com, neilpatel.com, moz.com. These are all big websites, big authority websites, and they're all ranking for this organically because, again, RankBrain is trying to figure out what the search results is going to be for this keyword, how to grow your website organically. Now, none of these are saying how to grow your website organically. They're just talking about how to get organic traffic to your website, how to increase organic traffic, how to get traffic to your website, you know, driving organic traffic without blah, blah, blah. So it's not teaching somebody how to grow their website organically, which is what we're trying to do. So I'm going to use this key phrase in my homepage just because people that are searching for this key phrase want to know how to grow their website. And traffic is a part of it, trust me, but they want to learn how to do this like you're learning how to do this. So that's going to be my main focus keyword. So I'm going to put the keyword here in the focus keyword, right? And that's what my focus keyword is. Now, as you scroll down the page, you're gonna click on this edit snippet. Now you're gonna have all this stuff if you have Yoast SEO in here. This is what I'm using as a plugin for my SEO for this website, and I suggest you use Yoast SEO. I mean, there's all kinds of different SEO plugins out there, but this is what I'm using. So if you need to follow along, you need to install Yoast SEO. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just delete this SEO title. Now this is what's actually going to show up. If you notice, all this stuff was gone, right? And so this is going to be rankbrainseo.com. This is the home page, right? And what's going to happen is the title is going to be, first of all, my keyword. So I'm going to make these all capitals. Before I do that, I want to go to the slug, right? You want to put it also into the slug. So this is what's going to show up in your slug, how to grow your website, right? And so you got to put spaces in here because that's how the slug is made. Then you're going to enter your description here. And so we have a good start on our SEO. So as you can see, this is going to be the URL. This is going to be the SEO title. Now you want to put more in here for the SEO title. You actually want to capitalize all these letters. and you want to make your SEO title a little bit longer. So how to grow your website organically without using any backlinks. Okay, so that's a good length for a description. So I'm going to take this description now, and I'm going to go ahead and put it in the meta description, which is a more detailed description about what this is talking about without using any backlinks. Start from scratch, building your site, building it. So you don't want to optimize on keywords either. So I was going to put organically here, but I already got organically there. So how to grow your website organically without using any backlinks. Start from scratch, building. So here we got how to grow your website organically without any backlinks. Start from scratch, building your site for your intended audience naturally. So here's, now you might call this clickbait, I don't know. How to grow your website organically without using any backlinks. Start from scratch, building your site for your intended audience naturally in 120 days. So this gives people interest, and they might want to click on it because they're going to build their website from scratch within 120 days. Now, once you get your, now as you can see, you got a good length for your SEO title, you got a good meta description there, and if you click on the SEO analysis, you're going to see that I have greens right here so far. You know, keyword, phrase, and slug, SEO title width, good keyword phrase in the title, previously keyword used, so I've not used keyword phrase before. Meta description length is well done. So if you follow the Yoast SEO plugin, you're going to have a good SEO website. Okay, now these are the things that I need to do. So image tags, I need to have images with alt tags, and we'll discuss this later. Keyword phrase in the heading, so when I start creating the content. Single title, so I should have a S1 H1 tag in my title. We'll discuss that later. Keyword phrase density, I'll explain all this later. So I'm going to explain all this stuff later. But so far we have a good start in our SEO. So this is the first step in creating your homepage. You want to have it SEO'd. A lot of people will build their homepage without going through this process, and it's a big mistake. So in the next video, we're going to talk about building the web page itself and creating the H1 tags and everything else that it's talking about right here. So if you like the content that I put here on this channel, please go down there and subscribe to my channel and tick that icon box so you're notified every time I come out with a new video. Okay? So we'll see you in the next one.